Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by assessing the problem and getting immediate control. First, identify whether a bracket is loose, a wire is poking, or an elastic has snapped. Then gather what you need: an interdental brush, sterile tweezers, floss threader, and orthodontic wax, so you won't interrupt the repair. Work in good light with a mirror and wash your hands thoroughly. Once you have control, remove food debris and trim any excessively long ligatures to prevent further injury before moving to reattachment steps. You now focus on stabilizing loose components and reattaching small parts. If a bracket is movable but still bonded, gently reposition it with tweezers so it sits flush against the tooth. Do not force a detached bracket back onto adhesive at home. For protruding wires, bend the end inward with a cotton swab or tweezers and cover with wax. Replace lost elastics using a floss threader to guide the band into place. Make sure each adjustment restores comfort and bite alignment as much as possible. You finish by confirming the appliance is functional and comfortable. Bite down gently to test for interference and remove or adjust wax that causes a high bite. Clean around the repair, floss carefully, and avoid hard or sticky foods until your orthodontist evaluates the appliance. Make a prompt appointment within 3 to 7 days for a professional repair and permanent adhesive if needed. If you experience increasing pain, swelling, numbness, or you believe you swallowed a part, seek immediate medical or dental attention as the key troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.